Listen, children. Chapter number 3, exercise 3.3 continuation. Last video till 3 question we have seen. In this one, fourth question onwards, let's start. So A dash is given. What is given? A dash is given and B is given. They asking A plus 2 times B whole dash. They asking whole dash. This one you can do in two ways. One, whole dash now we can write the formula A dash. 2 times B dash you can write. This is the formula. This is the one way. Or else by using A dash you can find A. A you can find. Later this one inside first you can find. Later you can take a complement. What is that? Transpose you can take. So these two ways we have. Which one we are going to use? Which one will go? First one will go right, fine. So first method will go to Raja. First method. So they asked to find A plus 2 times B whole dash. The whole dash formula is what? The whole dash formula, in since you write A plus K, or else we know that K into A whole dash is equal to K into A dash. This is, we have one formula. That one I'm using. A transpose, actually 2 times B whole transpose you will be getting. Addition or subtraction, when we have transpose you can write separately, not an issue. But 2 times B na, this is the scalar product. This is what for scalar product. So A transpose they given directly in the question. That one you can write minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, by using this formula, here transpose will not come for 2. So 2 times B transpose you can write. So in the sense we will find the B transpose. B value they given minus 1, 0, 1, 2. If you find the transpose now, what are you getting? B dash is equal to, this row we have to write as a column. So that minus 1, 0. The second row we have to write as a second column. 1, 2. That's it. So B dash you take, substitute in the next step. So minus 2, 3, 1, 2 plus 2 times the B dash value. We have a minus 1, 1, 0, 2. Take the 2 multiple inside. So when you do, what are you getting? 2 if you multiply, minus 2, 2, 0, 2 2s are 4. When you add both, minus 2, I mean corresponding element you should add pa. Okay. Next 3, 2. What is that? 3, 2. 3 and 2. 1 plus 0. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. When you add this, you will be getting the final answer. Minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Okay, this is my 2 by 2 answer. And what they asked to find, that is our required. Okay. Finally, if you want to write, you can write. Therefore, A plus 2 times B whole dash is equal to, that is our answer like that. This is since actually. Since and all, you just draw the line and you write. Okay, just draw the line. Don't want to open and close. Just draw the line, enough. Next, what is that? Fourth one over. Fifth one will go. Done pa? Fifth one multiplication. Okay. Fifth one important 3 mark you just mentioned. Column matrix, row matrix they gave. Fifth one 3 mark they may ask. Okay. A B whole transpose equal to B dash A dash. That is B transpose A transpose. Shall we go next pa? Boy side over. Girl side who is writing? No one is raising your hand. Everyone completed. Actually, we have a 2 subdivision in this. Children, we have a 2 subdivision. So first one I do. We try the second one. Second one you have to take as your homework. So what they are telling, matrix A is given, matrix B is given, and they asked to verify this one. They asked to verify AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Like that you will be getting. Now we'll go. What is that question number 1? Subdivision 1 in the 5th Roman. So A equal to column matrix 1 minus 4 3 and B matrix equal to minus 1 2 1. Okay, this is they gave row matrix, one column matrix. Right. Here we have a 3 rows, 1 column. Here we have 1 row, 3 column. This is the order of the matrix. First, left hand side will take. Left hand side, what we have? Left hand side we have AB whole dash. This one you have to find. Okay. So first let me find the AB. AB value will find. Later we'll find the transpose. Okay. So before going to product AB, whether the product is exist or not, we should check. So that I'm doing in the since place. So that first A order 3 by 1 and B order 1 by 3. So it must be same. Am I right? See here 1 1 we have a same. Same now what actually this will be exist. Means AB product is exist. Then what is the output you will be getting? Output you will be getting 3 by 3 matrix. Have you noticed? Have you noticed order you will be getting 3 by 3 matrix? Okay, order you will be getting 3 by 3 matrix. Understand? It will be coming big matrix. So listen carefully. First I am writing the A matrix 1 minus 4 3 and B matrix I am taking minus 1 2 1. So we have to product row with column. So one row you take, this is one row we have to take, we have to multiply in each column. Means this 1 we have to multiply in each what is the element given in the second matrix. Like that second row, like that third row. Okay, we have even 3 rows here. That is what you will be getting in a 3 by 3. Listen carefully. First row I'm taking, I'm multiplying with the first element. So that 1 into minus 1 what pa? 1 into minus 1 1 into minus 1 minus 1. We should not put plus here. The reason what? Because if we have a next element in the column, we can put a plus. But no element in the column. Column 1 we have only one element, we have multiplied. That's it. Second element if we have anything here, that will be giving plus. But no second element in the column 1. So that don't want to put plus. Have you understand? Don't want to put plus. That's it. When I take the row 1 to multiply in the second column, I want to write in the second column only. You should not put plus. Again I am telling, be careful here. Again I am telling. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1 means 1 into third column I am going. 1 into 1 again 1. That's it. Now first row is over. Now take the second row, multiply like this in each column. Okay, multiply with each column of the matrix. So that minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 4 into 2, what is that? Minus 8. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Have you noticed this? Right. Next 3 you take, column 3 you take, multiply with each column. Children, listen carefully. Third, what is the row I'm taking? I'm multiplying with all the 3 column. Understand? It means just 3 you take, multiply with each element. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 into this one, what pa? 3 1s are 3 you will be getting. That's it. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix which we need to get. We got it. Have you noticed it, children? We got an answer as 3 by 3 matrix for AB. Okay, we should not find AB, we need to find AB transpose. So that again you want to take the transpose here. Now you take the transpose AB whole transpose in the sense for this we have to apply. Means the dash you will be getting. Okay, row you have to write as a column. Column you will be writing as a row. Okay, well, first I am writing that minus 1 4 minus 3, as it is I'm writing, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. For this, we have to take transpose, I said. Okay, transpose or dash also you mentioned, dash, which is equal. When you take transpose, what you will be getting? This row you have to write as a column. Here you want to write. Understand? Then minus 1, 2, 1. Second row you take, write as a second column. 4, minus 8, minus 4. Third row you take, write as a third column. Minus 3, 6, 3. So that this will be required answer for a left hand side. This is our left hand side answer. Let it be answer number 1. Okay. That answer number 1 you want to get for a even right hand side also. Means B dash, A dash, you want to get the same answer. Have you understand, children? Left hand side over a same thing you want to get for a even right hand side. So left hand side you should find what actually we need even A dash, B dash, am right? So that we can find A dash, A dash. A value here we have. A value, what is that? Column matrix. Column matrix, how you will write as a row matrix when you take transpose. So that when you take a transpose, the column matrix will become row matrix. So that this column matrix will become a row matrix. So that row means what? You have to write horizontally. Okay, right. So the order 3 by 1 in the sense order will become 1 by 3. Understand? Same manner B dash. Okay, B dash we have as a row matrix. Then when you take a transpose, what will happen? It will become column matrix. Okay, it will become column. Means horizontal matrix, it will become vertical matrix. So that minus 1, 2, 1. Even the order also 1 by 3 in the sense, it will become what pa? 3 by 1. Okay, it will become what pa? 3 by 1. That's it. Now we have a dash as well as B dash. So we have to product B dash and A dash. Before that, we should check whether the order is exist or not. Okay. So order of the matrix. Order of the matrix, we have to find order of B dash and A dash. Here also you can write order of AB. Here you can write order of AB. Right. Order of B dash. What is the B dash order? Here we have 3 by 1. So that 3 by 1. Like that, A dash order, what is that? 1 by 3. What is that? 1 by 3. So it must be same, right? Row and column. Row and column must be same. Same now, what we can say? It will be exist. Product is what pa? Exist. After exist, what is the answer you will be getting? 3. And this 3 will be coming here. That's it. So order is exist and answer is coming as 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So product is exist actually, we have to say. Right, fine. Now B dash we have as a column. What is that? Minus 1, 2, 1. And A dash we have as a row. 1, minus 4, 3. So row with the column matrix. What is that? Row with a column. Each column you have to product. Like that, second row and third row, same manner. Sir, very important. When you product, you must be very careful, sir. Again, listen carefully. First element you take, multiply with each element. You should not put plus here when you product. The reason is what? There is no second element in the column 1 as well as column 2 as well as column 3. We have one element. Okay, when we have a 2 element, 3 element in column, we will be giving a plus. There is only one element now. Don't want to put plus. Directly you can multiply and you can move. Okay. Right. So take minus 1, multiply with 1 na. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Same minus 1 we have to multiply with minus 4. So minus into minus plus, what is that? 1 4s are 4 you will be getting. Now same minus 1 we have to multiply with column 3. That means 3. So minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Column 3 and row 1 is over. Now we have to go second row. Second row you take, multiply with each column of the matrices. Okay, va? So element 2 you take, multiply with 1. 2 ones are 2. Like that, 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 2 into 3, 6 you will be getting. Same manner, row 3 we have to take, multiply with each column of the matrix. Understand? Right now, so 1 into 1, what you will be getting? 1. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 1 into 3, 3. So this is our required 3 by 3 matrix. This 3 by 3 only they said you will be getting as answer. We got it. So this is the answer number 2. Now you can compare 1 and 2 whether it is same or what. If it is same, what we have done, it is okay. So what you have to write finally, from 1 and 2 we get left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Sir, same thing you want to do for a second sum, sir. Second sum homework. Have you understand? First sum or else can you do or what? You people try. Second sum you people take homework, Raja. Important 3 mark. This type either 3 mark or if there is a good luck, na, they may ask in 5 mark, but 3 mark. Okay. Maximum 3 mark they will be asking. Because chapter 3, actually in the board exam, what is the rule now? Chapter 3, chapter 4, together they will be asking 10 mark. Chapter 3, chapter 4, together they will be asking 10 mark. Have you understand? So based on that only they will be splitting the mark allotment. Just like that they will not. But when you compare chapter 3 and 4, in the 4th chapter there is a content more. So that 5 mark they will take in the 4th chapter. So that there is a chance being a 3 mark this topic. Means the 5th Roman. Okay. Right. Can I go to the next one? 6th Roman. Have you done, children? Right. 6th one we are moving. 6th one we are moving. 6th one also we have a same pattern, 2 question. So which one you will be going to take? That you tell me. Same. Second one you will be taking. So same only. Same A dash A, if you multiply I means identity matrix you want to get. Okay. So first one we are moving. A is equal to what is given? Cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. That's it. This is A. What they asked to verify? They asked to verify left hand side, right hand side, whether it is equal or not. They asked to verify. So that first A dash we have to find. A dash now what ba? A transpose you have to find. Means cos theta, sorry, cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha whole transpose. Transpose you have to do. So when you apply the transpose, what you will be getting as answer? This row we have to write as a column. The row we have to write as a column. So that cos alpha sin alpha will become as a column. This row became as a column. Now second row we have to write as a column. Second row we have to write as a column. So that minus sin alpha and cos alpha. That's it. This is our transpose what we have done. And what they asked to do, A dash A is equal to I. So that left hand side A sorry, what is that? A dash A. If you take now, you want to get the answer as a I. I means identity matrix you want to get. What is the identity matrix? What is identity matrix? When order is 2 by 2, what is the I? I2 you will be getting. I2 means what? 1 0 0 1 you want to bring. Okay, 1 0 0 1 you want to bring. That's it. Now let's go here. First A dash. A dash na here we have the Raja that you take. Just write cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha into A. A is what pa? A is here that you take. Just mention cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha, all those things. Now you know how to product row with a column. We have to product row with a column. We have to product. So let's go now. How to product? Let's go row with a column. So if I'm taking a first row means Let's take different color. Wait, yes. So if I'm taking a first row, I want a product with the first column. Means first element to first element plus second element to second element. Like that you want to product. Okay, be careful when you product. So first row I'm taking first element to first element. Means cos into cos. Cos into cos, what you will be getting? Cos square. You will be getting cos into cos, cos square. Next, second element to second element. Listen carefully. There is a minus, here also minus. So minus into minus, plus. What you will be getting? Minus into minus, plus. Second element sign, even second element sign. So sign into sign, what you will be getting? Sin square you will be getting. What you will be getting? Sin square over. So same row we have to take. We should multiply in the second column. Second column when you go, you should leave a gap here because this is column 1. Column 2 when we go, we have to leave a gap. Okay. Don't forget. Right. Now, what is that? First element to first element. What is that? Cos alpha into sin alpha. What is that? Cos alpha into sin alpha. Okay. Next term plus, but there is minus here. Second term to second term. So sin into cos or cos into sin, but there is a minus. Plus, minus into plus now, minus you will be getting. So minus cos alpha into sin alpha you will be getting. Now first row over Raja. Second row we have to take, multiply with each column. Understand? Right. First row I'm taking. Sorry, first row is over. Second row we are going. In the second row, first element to first element. Sin into cos. Sin into cos. What you will be getting? Sin into cos. So that sin alpha into cos alpha. Then second element to second element. Second element to second element. What is that? Cos into minus sin. So minus sin cos you will be getting. Minus sin into cos you will be getting. Okay. Now first column is over. Then same row I want to product in a second column. Same row I want a product in the second column. First element with first element means sin into sin. Sin into sin, sin square you will be getting. Sin into sin, sin square you will be getting. Second element to second element in the column 2. So cos into cos, cos square you will be getting. Cos into cos, cos square you will be getting. When you go second element, we should put plus. Don't forget. Right. Suppose any opposite sign, if it is given in the question, plus into minus, minus you can use. Right, fine. So what are you getting through this? Sin square plus cos square 1. Here this is plus, minus cancel. Plus minus cancel, we can give 0. Here also sin cos square, that will be 1. So this is order 2 by 2, so that we can say that this will be I2. Therefore, I took A dash A, I got that I. Okay, I2 we can write as generally I, not assured, hence verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. See, very important thing you want to learn in this chapter na, matrix product. Matrix product you should learn. Okay, row with the column. First element to first element. When I go second element plus second element to second element, like that you should product. Product if you're not learning now, really this chapter is very tough. If you learn the product, Thomas chapter, this is nothing is there, just 1, 2, 3 da. Nothing is there in the chapter, you can run like anything. If you learn the matrix product. Matrix addition, subtraction, all nothing. But product only take time here. Product you have to learn. When we are squaring the matrix, cube the matrix and all, we have to multiply the matrices. So you must be careful when you go in the product matrix. Understand? Right. Do this fast. We'll go to 7th Roman. Girl side, right, Raja? Seventh? Yeah. Both are different. I'll do. Seventh, shall we start, pa? Is anyone doing this? So seventh one, let's go. So this is seventh one, first subdivision. Seventh one, first subdivision. This is about symmetric matrix. Okay, what they are telling here, show that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. How you will be checking whether it is a symmetric or not symmetric? Have you remember? A dash is equal to A. Okay, we have seen that if you take a complement, question you should get as it is. Question if you get, what we can say, it will be symmetric. Understand? Right. That is I'm going to check here. First given is what? In the given A matrix they gave 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 5 2 1 1 3. Listen children, this is A. When you take transpose, if you get the same A in the sense, we can say that which is a symmetric. Very simple. Okay. Right. So that you take transpose, Raja. You take transpose. You take transpose. Or else you just write the word. If A dash is equal to A, then A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. That you write. Okay. If A dash is equal to A, then A is a symmetric matrix. So that we are going to check A dash equal to A or what. Okay. So that A dash means A transpose 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. When you apply transpose, what is the meaning? Row we have to write as a column. Listen carefully. Take the row, write as a column. Okay. Take the row, write as a column. So I'm taking the first row, I'm going to write as a column. Means 1 minus 1 5. I'm going to write here 1 minus 1 5. And take the second row, write as a second column. Means minus 1 2 3. Sorry, minus 1 2 1. Minus 1 2. What is that? 1. So minus 1 2 1. Right. Take the third row, write as a third column. 5 1 3. 5 1 3 we should write 5 1 3. That's it. I took the what is the transpose. Now check whether this both are same or what. Both are same or what. You check children. Is it the same? Huh? See, 1 minus 1 5 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 5 1 3. Yes. Question we got as it is. Question we got as it is. There is no change in it. So that what we can write, which is equal to A, you can write. So therefore, we got that A dash is equal to A. Then surely we can say that A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Have you understand children? Very simple one. This is actually this question they will be asking like 2 mark or else true or false. They'll say instead of show that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix, true or false. Sir, whether we have true or false? Yes, yes, true or false. Actually, what ma assessment and reasoning. There is one part I'm right there. They will be taking such type of questions. Understand? Be careful. Okay. This is either 2 mark or MCQ. They will be taking. MCQ means assessment and reasoning. Okay. Right. Next, same manner, seventh, we have one more subdivision. This is about a symmetric matrix. Now, what about then second one can be? Yeah, skew symmetric matrix because we have only two portion. One is symmetric, one more one skew symmetric matrix. Understand? The second one we are going to see the skew symmetric. Can you change this? Right fast. Pa? Boy side complete. Pa? Girl side. Pa? Is anyone writing? Next we are moving. second subdivision in this same but skew symmetric. Okay, same. This is seventh one. Raja, this is seventh one, second subdivision. Okay, seventh one, second subdivision. So given portion is what? A is given here. A equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0. This will be 3 by 3 matrix. They are asking to check whether it will be skew symmetric or not. So if A transpose equal to minus A, if A transpose equal to minus A, then what we can say? Then A is what? Skew symmetric matrix we can say. A is a skew symmetric matrix we can say. So that when you take A transpose, you want to get minus A. When you take A transpose, you want to get what? Minus A. Right, let's take the transpose now. So that A dash is equal to 1 minus 1, sorry, first 0. 0 minus 1, 1. 1, 0, minus 1. Minus 1, 1, 0. Transpose I'm applying. Transpose when you apply, what it mean? Row will be interchanging as a column. Column will be interchanging as a row. Okay. That is I'm going to do here. So take the row, you write as a column. Means vertically you want. So 0, 1, minus 1. Take the second row, you write as a column. Means vertically second line you have to write. That is minus 1, 0, 1. Third row you take write vertically as a third column. Means 1, minus 1, 0. 1, minus 1, 0. Understand? This is a square matrix. So order and all does not change anything. As it is, it will be coming. Now see children, is it look like a same question pa? Is it look like a same question? Here plus 1, here minus 1. And here minus 1, here plus 1. Have you noticed what is here? Everything opposite sign. Same elements are there, but opposite sign. So that minus, if you take outside commonly, you will be getting, okay, you will be getting the question. So what I'm going to do here, take the negative outside, take the minus outside from the step. Okay, when you take the minus outside, you will be getting. Minus when I take, what I'm getting? Everything inside, whatever the elements are there, everything will be opposite sign. Plus means minus, minus na, plus you will be getting. Understand? Right. So that 0 will be 0, minus 1 will be as a plus 1, and plus 1 will be as a minus 1. Like that, plus 1 will be as a minus 1 opposite. 0 will be 0 as it is, and minus 1 will become plus 1. Like that, minus 1 will become again plus 1. Plus 1 will become as a minus 1. 0 will be 0 only. No change in it. Now you can compare this as a question we have here. Have you noticed it? It is a question we have. So that what we question means A. So that outside we have a minus, that will be A. It means therefore A dash is equal to minus A, we got it. A dash is equal to minus A, we got it. Then what we can say? Then A is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. That's it. So this is the, what is that, 7th Roman, second subdivision says this is. Right fast pa. Next 8th will go. Right first to this. Clearly you write. Try to write in a single, means all 3 matrix I wrote in a single. Okay, single step you write. Try to write. Ma, this one you try to write in single step. Don't write big matrix. Okay, write this like a small size. Then it will be coming surely in the single line. If it is not, you write not issue. Have you wrote in single line, man? Krishna? Good. Minus A down. What about you? Right. Good. Equal to minus A. Minus A. What I wrote, just see carefully you write. Children, when you write, you should be careful because I mentioned here minus a. Some people are writing plus a, and some people here are avoiding write minus a. You people writing plus a. Be careful when you copy from the board because what you are writing, that only you are going to practice. If you are writing wrong, you will be reading wrong. If you are reading wrong, you will be writing the even exam or test also will be wrong. Understand? Be careful when you copy from the classwork note. Sorry, board. Understand? 8th one will go. Are we done, ma? This one? Over, appa. 8th one, there is a 2 subdivision. Both I do. Just listen. Both I do. Just listen, pa. So given is what? That will go. Given there is a matrix. A matrix is given 1, 5, 6, 7. 6 and 7. A matrix given. They asked to verify A plus A dash is a symmetric. A plus A dash means you want to find A plus A dash. Later, after finding this matrix, I mean A plus A dash, you take like a P. Now the P is a symmetric or not? Means when you take P dash, it should get P. Like that, you have to check. Understand? That work you have to do. So first, what we need? A dash we need. So that you find A dash from here. A dash from here. So what is that? 1, 5, 6, 7 dash. When you apply the transpose, na column will become a row. Means 1, 5 will be became a column 1. 6, 7 will become column 2. Okay, this is our A dash. Now, subdivision number 1 says what? When you add both A plus A dash, I want to get as a symmetric matrix. Okay, we'll do this now. First A matrix we have 1, 6, 5, 7. Sorry, A matrix plus the A dash here we have 1, 5, 6, 7. When you add both, what I am getting, just see children. So 1 plus 1, first element to first element. When we add, just corresponding element we have to add. And second element to second element. As it is, we have to add. Means 5 plus 6. Like that, 6 plus 5. Corresponding element we have to add. Okay, 6 plus 5 and 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7. Corresponding element we are adding. When we add, what I am getting? 2, 11, 11. It will be 14. This will be 2 by 2 matrix. So this A plus A dash, I am taking as a P, matrix P I am taking. So they asked to verify A plus A dash. When you add, you will be getting one a matrix. That matrix is symmetric or not, they are asking. Means when you take transpose, you should get same answer. Shall we check? Check P dash is equal to what? 2, 11, 11, 14 dash transpose. Means this row you take right as a column. 2, 11 you write vertically first. 2 and 11 you write vertically. And this 11 and 14 you write vertically in the second column. Means 11 and 14. 11 and 14 you write vertically. See children, is it a look like a question? Means this one? Yes, I'm right. So what we can say? P transpose is equal to, I got a P. So that therefore, what we can say here? Therefore, P is equal to, P transpose equal to P. P or else the P is what we know. A plus whole transpose also you can mention. P transpose equal to P. That is what it means. A plus A dash whole dash is equal to, we got A plus A dash. Okay. Then P equal to A plus A dash, or you can give or else P or A plus A dash, because both are equal, right? P or A plus A dash is symmetric. Is symmetric matrix. Okay, is a symmetric matrix. Same manner we have to do for a second subdivision. Same manner we have to do for a second subdivision. Second subdivision also same matrix A only. Means this A and A dash I will be using as it is. But here they asked to subtract. When you subtract, it will be skew symmetric matrix. It will be coming, it seems. That we have to verify. So that A minus A dash we have to find. A minus A dash. Right, let's go here. First A matrix, what we have? 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7 minus A transpose means A dash what we have 1, 6, 5, 7. Okay, 1, 6, 5, 7. So these two we have to subtract. These two matrix we have to subtract. So when you subtract 1 minus 1, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 5 and 7 minus 7 means corresponding element, first element to first, second to second, like that I subtracted. I hope you know how to subtract two matrix. We have seen already in the previous exercise. So when you subtract, what I am getting, children, this will be 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 6 minus 1, here 1, here 0. This is my answer, what? A minus A dash. So this is 2 by 2. The A minus A dash I am taking as a matrix Q. Q matrix I am taking. So what they asked to bring, when you take a, what is that, A minus A dash, it should be coming as a skew symmetric, it seems. Means when you take transpose, you should get minus Q. Shall we check? This fully, if you are taking Q now, when you take transpose, you should get as a minus Q. That is the concept. Now I am taking the transpose for Q. Means 0, minus 1, 1, 0. When you take a transpose for this, what you will be getting? The row will be coming as a column. So that, yeah, 0, minus 1, 1, 0 you will be getting. Now, see whether these two same or what? No. Because sign is opposite. So that you take one minus outside. One minus if you take outside, what all we have inside, it will be opposite. Means plus 1 became, yeah, 0, minus 1 and plus 1, that will be 0. Now see children, the Q and this will be same. So that minus Q you can write. What you can write? Minus Q you can write. Minus Q. So therefore, Q dash is equal to minus Q in the sense, we can say that Q or Q equal to what I know? A minus A dash. Okay. A minus A dash. A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. That is, they will be telling skew symmetric matrix. So that is the concept for question number 8. So already this is based on theorem number 1. Theorem number 1 we have discussed actually in the one of the video in the yesterday. Theorem 1, what they are telling, A plus A dash is a symmetric and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric, they are telling. Theorem 2, what they are telling, they will be multiplying 1 by 2 along with this. That is also symmetric, skew symmetric, they are telling. Am I right? That we will be seeing in the next question, in the next video. Right, children? We'll see in the next video. Thank you, Pa. Take care. Bye. Bye, Pa.